He popped the question. You said yes. So what's next? These or these? Hi, this is Sako from Latin Asia One Stop Solution, and today we will be showing you an innovative way to make destination Indian weddings easier than ever. Back when I was a vendor, many couples wrote me asking why things with others were so complicated. So I listened to their concerns, and the majority were about the lack of time response or receiving poor and inaccurate information. This could be a challenge when planning at a distance, so I started to think on a solution. Couples who have done their destination Indian wedding with us finally had peace of mind as all the information is available 24/7. And moreover, this information is the one that you need to make decision making. So what's the secret sauce? With a mathematics degree, I created an algorithm with all the things that couples struggle to find, but then in a cohesive way with easy words and most importantly, no hidden words. Lots of data compiled within seconds, a challenge, but finally couples just found exactly what they wanted in the easiest way possible. Let's be honest. You are getting married for the first and hopefully for the last time in your life. So it is completely normal not to know even what to ask or how to proceed. Yes, friends and family can give you advice based on their previous experiences, but the solution I came across was simpler and very, very effective. All in one, 24/7 available for you. Destination Indian weddings are now easier than ever. You choose your religious background and see that the packages already include the most popular events you have in mind. And the best part is that you already will find what we identified you might need for every event even before you had it in mind. If this is not enough, we put this information with a price according to your group size and a visual justification on how things will look at the end. Amazing, right? So write yes in the comments down below if you're struggling to find anything like this anywhere else. You might wonder the accuracy of this formula. Do not worry that you're talking with probably the only crazy mathematician in the weddings industry. Numbers do not lie, and the formulas I have applied will help you find all the details in the easiest way so you can focus on the main thing, which is choosing the best fit for you. Better proof is if you are searching for a destination Indian wedding elsewhere, chances are that you will find either a la carte or contact us and we will be happy to quote you, or you will wait forever, or you will find packages that give you just a glimpse or a partially covering of some of your needs. Latin Asia Destination Indian Wedding Packages will tell you the what, how it works, for how many people, cost per event, cost per service, entire breakdown, and how much is the average cost per resort so you can find the right fit for you. For example, for Hindu wedding packages that I have designed, I have created Mendi and Sangeet night, Barat, Milni and Ponkvanu with the wedding ceremony and the bidai, and the gala reception, with all its inclusions for each and every event and photos on how will they look. To put the cherry on top of the cake, I put the pricing according to your guest size. How is that even possible? Well, being local and having great relationships, we know the good, the fabulous, and the ugly around. That is why a one-stop solution takes care for you, and that's how we made it for you. To cut the pain, and with a big team behind the scenes, from resort liaisons, travel teams, planners, vendors, and much more, all together, happy to help you to ease the wedding journey. Do you want to discover the secret sauce of a one-stop solution for destination Indian weddings? Click in the little screen to see you below. And next week, we will start searching a virtual tour to one of our preferred resort liaisons. Bye-bye!